So guys, it's Vlogmas Day 1, and I'm starting it off with some ice cream, and of course I'm watching Aaliyah's face. So yeah, because I have class in between, so this is what it's looking like right now. Okay guys, I like tore this ice cream up. If you guys ever had Haagen-Dazs vanilla bean ice cream, this is where it's at. If you just want something plain, get this ice cream.
And how you can use it effectively within your business.
This
So make sure
lighting
you
is like
stick around
hitting.
all the way to the end.
Even though I have this on my head. Okay guys, so if you don't know, I go to school for fashion, and I just wanted to show you guys what I'm actually doing. So, oh, you can even flip on here. Okay, hold on. Let me turn the camera. So I'm doing a floor plan. It's pretty cool from my last project. He's just explaining what to do. So yeah, let me get back to class, guys. Okay, so I want to show you guys the decorations I did to my mom's house because I came for the weekend for Thanksgiving, and I did this cute little thing around here, and I also decorated the tree. Bam. It has Ajax. It looks better when it's lit up, but I did this. And this is her cute wreath. It's just supposed to be on the door, but we have to glue this back. Shout out to Natifa because she made this. And then we got some cute little designs right here. But yeah. Oh my god, guys, look at Groot.
Children's well-being and has contacted the Child Welfare Department.
I don't know if you can see us, but we are outside in Florida and it's freaking cold, okay? Let me go where there's more light. I'm gonna go.
Okay, I'm going. Oh, it's cold out here.
It's cold in Florida.
You're more beautiful. Natural.
Somebody's hating on my makeup. Why you look like that?
Well, I'll still give you some eat. That's all I'm good for.
Maybe. I'll think about it.
Yeah.
So right now we're gonna go get ices.
Iced tea?
Yeah.
Where?
At this place. It's called Gelatos or something like that.
Well, you cut the phone off that time.
Alright guys.
This whole time I was happy to put some M&Ms in frozen yogurt and all the stuff, and it was just an icy place.
We're going to an icy ice cream place, and she thought it was frozen yogurt, but it's not. We're going to Jeremiah's, and it's an icy place. It's Italian iced tea with ice cream, but it's really good. So, yeah,
I don't have just ice cream.
that's it. So yeah, they got like a whole bunch of flavors, guys. So let me show you. Okay guys, so we got our Jeremiah ice cream. We're about to eat it and it's about to be so good. She's a little mad because she thought it was frozen yogurt, and I told her multiple times it's ice cream and iced tea. She don't listen. But I like this, and I'm about to gobble this up, guys.
Oh, this is great soup we're having.
Somebody's a party pooper. Somebody gets hangry when they're hungry.
Make sure you guys go try this. Super good. What you cook?
Pork chops, rice and beans, and I had a cucumber salad.
A cucumber salad.
What you put in there?
I ain't telling you nothing. You gotta eat it for yourself.
What you put in it?
I ain't telling you. I'm gonna starve me with some ice cream.
Later. Get baked chicken, rice, and a vegetable.
You need some help? Wait a little while, you can drink it.
Ew.
Melt it, you can drink it then.
You finish yours, Tina? Now that was good. Alright guys, now I'm eating soup at my brother's house. And vlogging it. Yep, that's gonna be a mini one because I started late. But it's okay. Alright, let's taste this.
Ooh, look at these shoes.
Red bottoms. I love red bottoms.
That's cold.
Oh, Junior, this is horrible. It definitely needs pepper and salt.
A lot of salt. Those are hard.
Okay, guys, so I'm back in the house and I didn't get to film that much, but this is the end of the first Vlogmas. So, hope to see you guys soon. Stay tuned. Bye, guys.